one of the top rated UV flashlights on Amazon that's only 15 bucks. You don't want to miss this one. Let's go! Okay, so quick disclaimer here. I just went to Amazon and I bought the highest rated UV flashlight that I can find. As you can see here, 4.5 stars out of 5 with over 7,500 ratings. I was surprised. This thing was only 15 bucks, but I have my doubts. So I'll unbox this UV flashlight to show you what it comes with. Not much, as you can see, just a flashlight and some simple instructions. And of course, no batteries included. What do you expect for 15 bucks? This is the ESCO LITE 395 nanometer UV flashlight. It features a whopping 51 LEDs and the power output is 5 watts. I couldn't find out what kind of LED it is. My guess is one of those through-hole LEDs that cost a dime a dozen. The body is made out of aluminum with a non-slip grip. Feels lightweight and durable. It weighs about a half a pound. The length is just under 6 inches. The LED head diameter is just over 2 inches. The base diameter is 1 1/4 inches, and of course a wrist strap. To power this UV flashlight on, it has a single button on and off use and takes 3 AA batteries. I'm not a fan of regular batteries. They said rechargeable batteries are not recommended for this UV flashlight. The on and off button seems pretty good. It doesn't feel cheap or like it'll break really easily. This UV flashlight is rated IP44, meaning it could take splashes of water, but I wouldn't submerge this in water. Okay, so let's check out the throw distance and power on this UV flashlight. I noticed some comments on Amazon saying this doesn't detect stains or you need all the lights off. I assure you, you don't need it pitch black. If you have a white carpet, it might be harder to detect pet stains only because white carpet usually has optical whitener in it, which also reacts to a UV flashlight. I had my doubts on 51 LEDs and the power output, but this pet stain was with lights on and in broad daylight. Now for 15 bucks, I had my doubts, but it's pretty powerful. You can use this on pet stains, money currencies, scorpions, pretty much anything a UV flashlight can do, this would do it. For 15 bucks, it's not gonna break the bank. But if you're new here, please remember to subscribe because I have a new UV flashlight next week that I'm pretty excited about. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!